Spaghetti Bolognese is a famous Italian pasta dish known for its tasty meat sauce. The sauce, called ragu alla bolognese, comes from Bologna, Italy. It's made by cooking ground meats like beef and pork with veggies, tomatoes, and a bit of wine. The slow cooking makes the sauce rich and flavorful, turning it into a delicious masterpiece. Here are some interesting facts about spaghetti bolognese. Spaghetti bolognese isn't your regular meat sauce. It's carefully cooked to blend all the flavors. Cooking it slowly sets it apart, making it more than just a basic pasta sauce. Bolognese sauce has its roots in Bologna, Italy. It shows off the real and diverse flavors of Italian cooking. Knowing where it comes from adds a cool story to the dish, connecting it to Italy's history and traditions. What's cool about spaghetti bolognese is you can mix it up. You can try different meats, wines, or pasta types. This lets you put your own twist on the classic recipe. Spaghetti bolognese is loved worldwide. People everywhere enjoy its yummy and comforting taste. It's a favorite because it's easy to make and suits lots of different tastes. Bolognese sauce actually gets better the next day, so if you make too much, no worries. The flavors keep developing, making it a great choice for busy people or families who like to cook ahead or enjoy leftovers.
Craving the taste of Italy? Hit subscribe, tap the notification bell, and join our foodie community for more delicious recipes. Share your spaghetti bolognese creations in the comments below, and let's spread the culinary love together. See you in the next video. Buon appetito!